Hi, Botlali. Thanks so much for your question. Now we're going to use the rules that we know of long division to solve for the sum. And the rule says that we need to follow this exact order that we have on the right-hand side. We first have to divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. And that's the rule that we're going to use. First, I'm going to rewrite our division in a particular way so we know exactly what it is. So we're going to write 7 divided by, that's the sign we're going to use, or 728 divided by 7. There we go. Now we're going to use the rules that we have and we're going to use them in order. They need to be in order. So we're going to get 7 over here divided by 7 over there. And 7 divided by 7, that's going to give us 1. Now the next rule says we need to multiply. So I'm going to take 1, multiply it by 7, and that's going to give me 7, and I'm going to write it right underneath the 7 we have just above it. Then I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take 7 over here minus 7, and that's going to give me 0. And then after I subtract, I bring down. So I bring down the very next number that is next to it, and that is 2. And we're done. But then we're going to use that same order that we used again to do that again. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 7, or 2 in this case, because that's the next number. 2 over here, 0, 2, that's just 2. Divided by 7. We know that 7 can't actually go into 2. So that's 0 times. So we're going to put a 0 over there. Then we're going to multiply. So 0 multiplied by 7, that's just going to give us 0 again. So we're going to have 0 over here. 0. And then after we multiply, we're going to subtract. And I'm going to get 2 minus 0. And that's just going to give me 2. Then I'm going to bring 8 down to here, and that's going to give me 28. Now I do the process all over again. Now I've got 28 divided by 7. That's going to give me 4. And then after I divide, I multiply. 4 times 7, that gives me 28. Then after I multiply, I subtract. Subtract, and 28 minus 28, that just gives us 0. And I can't bring down any other number because 8 was the last number in the sequence. And this is how we solve for that. So now we know 728 divided by 7, that's 104. So we just need to keep doing this exact sequence, the one that we're looking at over here, again and again. We divide, then we multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, send us the rest of your answers once you've got them, just so we can check to see that you're on the right track. All right, all the best.